Welcome to Module 19, Lesson 3. In this lesson, we are working on representing and comparing different units of weight. So let's take a look at our second problem. This African elephant weighs 6 tons. There are 2,000 pounds in 1 ton. How much does the elephant weigh in pounds? So 1 ton is just another customary unit for measuring weight. A small car weighs about 1 ton. We know an elephant, or an African elephant, weighs 6 tons. So if 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds, then 2 tons is equal to 4,000 pounds. Go ahead and complete the chart. Right, you should have found that 3 tons was equal to 6,000, 4 tons was equal to 8,000 pounds, 5 tons was equal to 10,000 pounds, and 6 tons was equal to 12,000 pounds. As we move across the table, letter B asks us, how do the number of tons change? Well, we have 1 ton, 2 ton, 3, 4, so they increase by 1. And what happens with the number of pounds as we move across the table? 2,000 to 4,000 to 6,000 to 8,000. What are they? What's happening there? Each one increases by 2,000 as we move. So now we need to answer, what is the weight of the elephant in pounds? Well, we know the elephant weighs 6 tons. So the African elephant weighs 12,000 pounds. Pause the video if you need any more time to complete this. All right, we're going to complete the check understanding together. So for this, you're going to need to reference some of our information about weight. So we need to learn about pounds and ounces. On the other side of your page, you'll see that a pound is a customary unit for measuring weight. A loaf of bread weighs about 1 pound. Now, we need to understand that 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. So I want you to, on that left-hand side, that page 500, write that somewhere near your connected vocabulary. Okay, 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. An ounce is a customary unit for measuring weight. A slice of bread weighs about 1 ounce. You might remember that from our previous lesson. But there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. And once we have that information, then we can work on solving our check understanding. So number 1 says, Jenna picks 3 pounds of apples. How many ounces of apples does Jenna pick? Well, we know if 1 pound equals 16 ounces, then to find what 3 pounds is equal to, we multiply that by 16 ounces in a pound. Go ahead and find how many ounces are in 3 pounds. Three times 6 is 18. I'm going to regroup my 1 ton. 3 times 1 ton is 3 tons, plus 1 more ton is 4 tons. So I know that there are 48 ounces in 3 pounds. Right, now let's take a look at number 2. We have 3 tons and 5,500 pounds. So we want to see how many pounds are in 3 tons. If you remember from our elephant problem, there are 2,000 pounds in 1 ton. You can also look at your chart above, right, to see that 3 tons is equal to 6,000 pounds. So since 6,000 pounds is greater than 5,500 pounds, 3 tons is greater than 5,500 pounds. And for number 3, we're going to look again at ounces and pounds. We need to find how many ounces are in 4 pounds. In order to find that, we're going to take our 4 pounds times 16 ounces. I know that 4 times 10 is 40, and 4 times 6 is 24. So in total, there are 64 ounces in 4 pounds. Well, if I'm comparing 64 ounces to 63 ounces, then 4 pounds is just a little bit bigger than the 63 ounces.